So Bitcoin and the technology behind it, which is called the blockchain, which you may have heard about, is one of the biggest technology inventions probably since the internet. And it has vast implications on many different things, including currency, assets, and many other different things. So what a blockchain is a decentralized ledger. So what that means is that say when I log into a bank account, say a Chase bank account, I log in and it shows all the debits and the credits, money going out for cell phone bill, paycheck coming in from work, money going out for insurance, etc. That's a centralized ledger, meaning that Chase owns that ledger. So they can do whatever they want with it, really. They can pull the funds out. They can do chargebacks. They can take out fees. And all kinds of stuff that banks have been traditionally known for in shady ways, that here, at least in the United States, that people have had to fight for to get them to be more transparent about their fees, but they still pull funds, pull funds, and they do it all over the world. They do it in Venezuela, Argentina, the government confiscation. In Cyprus, they did it a few years ago. The government went bankrupt. They just pulled the funds straight out of people's accounts. And it happens in dozens and dozens of countries. So a decentralized ledger means that no one central entity owns it. A bunch of different people's computers, these nodes all across the world, they're the decentralized ledger, and then they check the blockchain. So when something gets recorded on the blockchain, it's transparent, it's fair, no one can pull it, and it's all encrypted. So what you can do on this blockchain is, one, you can put currency on it. That's Bitcoin. And that's wonderful because it has many advantages. For us in the West, we can use it as a means of trade. We can all of a sudden do international trade instantly, instant remittance. You can send money from the United States to Japan instantly. You don't have to mess around with messy bank wires, old technology that gets messed up and lost. And also for the developing world, it's wonderful as well because there are 2 to 3 billion people in the world that are unbanked. Traditional banking has not served them because it's centralized, and a lot of banks are super shady, especially in the developing world. So now all of a sudden all these people in Africa, India, China, wherever, can get a low-cost smartphone, download an app as a wallet, and then instantly be their own bank, which is incredible because now they can interact in the world economy and they can control their funds and send it to whoever they want. So that's Bitcoin on the blockchain. Now, what you can do is put what's called colored coins onto the blockchain. And what these are is you can put assets on there. So you can also put assets such as gold or property or certificates or music or the supply chain of goods from manufacturer to retailer. So transparency, ease, simplification. You can also do smart contracts. So you can take out lawyers, you make a deal, say it's an insurance deal. If there is let's say there's a life insurance deal, someone dies, as soon as the death certificate hits the blockchain, then the smart contract pays out in the life insurance deal. Massively disruptive for so many industries, including banks, insurance. We're going to be seeing some cool stuff in the music industry as well, with artists owning their music, disrupting the iTunes network, and replacing the old system. And it's wonderful stuff. Check it out. Bitcoin, blockchain. It is a tool in the bucket for the people, the world. Governments can use this as well. Transparent governments can use it to their advantage to make things more efficient for the people and save a lot of money. And cities that adopt blockchain technology today will have a profound effect for their future and the people's future. So spread the word about Bitcoin, blockchain. Start learning about it. Remember that don't purchase anything that you cannot afford to lose. So small amounts. I think that $5 is safe, but definitely don't put your whole life savings in it or anything like that, because it fluctuates rapidly in the Bitcoin market. And remember, it's disposable income, not your life savings. Be super smart and responsible with it, and do the right thing for yourself.